Hello there, and welcome back to Between the Keys. You can see me, you can hear me, you can hear the notes that I play and see the notes that I play. We're going to try a more difficult song today. It's Virtual Insanity by Jamiroquai. This song requires you to know quite a lot of chords. So if you know E flat minor, and you know E flat minor 7, well, unfortunately, that isn't actually enough. You need to know that this is also E flat minor 7, but just starting on the third, the minor third. This is also E flat minor 7, starting on the 5th. And here it is starting on the 7th. And we call these inversions. And the song starts with an inversion. It starts with that E flat there. That's E flat minor 7, then it goes to F. This is just the introduction, the bit that he plays before the singing, or before the rest of the band comes in. Goes from there to F diminished, to G flat major, to B major 7. And these are all inverted chords, so that's why I say this is a more difficult song. And he hits the C sharp half diminished, not fully diminished, we'll come to that in a second. B major 7, and then this one, that's the final one, that's B flat 7, but with a sharp 5. Which is why it says here B flat 7 sharp 5. So this is where reading chords becomes very useful. Reading chord charts is a skill, just like reading sheet music is a skill. Learning what E flat dash 7 is important. That's minor 7. When it's a circle with a line through it, that's half diminished. When it's just a circle, that's diminished. So if it was C circle 7, that would be this. That isn't the chord that is used. It's half diminished, so there's a line through the circle. It's very specific, you see. But he plays it there. That would be root position, C half diminished. Here it is starting on the 1st, 3rd, 5th, flattened 5th, and 7. He starts the chord on the flattened 5th. B major 7. Let's do them again. F diminished, F half diminished, G major 7, C, B, B flat. And then we go into the song. Notice a lot of those, wrong chord there, a lot of those chords we've just looked at, so some of them are reused throughout the song, which is great because it means you can learn the chord and then it will come up many times. That's our E flat minor 7 again, the first one starting on the 5th. Then we go to A flat 7 but with a 9, so it says A flat 9. When you see a chord with a 9 symbol, it is always assumed that that means it's dominant 7. So A flat 9 is A flat dominant 7 with a 9 in it. Hear that? It sounds right. You can have major 9 as well, but that's not what this is. It just says A flat 9, which means it is dominant 7. You could play it there, but I'm pretty sure on the song he plays it there, starting on the 9. So it's... Then we have D flat 9. I played D flat 7. There's D flat 9 with the E flat in it, so that's your 9. Again, G flat, major 7. C, diminished, half diminished. B major 7. Okay, that's the verse. So we're getting there. We're already finished near enough with the verse. What does he sing? We're living in, let me tell ya. It's a wonder man can eat at all when things are big that should be small. Let's see if we can do it. It's a wonder man can eat at all when things are big that should be small. And then then he says, but who can tell what magic spells will be doing for us? So I'm ahead of the song. Let me look at the MacBook over there. What a man can eat at all. D flat, things are big that should be small. Who can tell what magic spells will be doing for us? And I'm giving all my love, A flat, to this world, only to be told. See, I can, where is it? I can't see, move it closer. I can't see, that's C. I can't see on C, get it? He says I can't see and we play a C. It's an old joke. I can't see, I can't breathe, no more will we be. We go to A flat now. So there's a part of the song to think about here. It has bars of 2/4. And when that comes, that's what makes this song even more tricky. So just there. I can't see, I can't breathe, no more will we be. 1, 2, because it goes to the E flat again, you see. No more will we be. We go to A flat. So you have to look at the chord chart. You can get it on iRealB Pro, iRealBook. It's a blue app on Google Play, probably on Apple too, pretty sure. It's worth the money, even if it's 20 quid. I got it like 10 years ago for like $5. This app is fantastic. I use it on my phone. I don't have it anywhere else, but I'm sure I can download it on here. But I actually just took a picture with my Kindle and then I'm reading it on a bigger screen, right? iRealBook Pro, worth it, worth every penny. It's gone up in price over the years, but it's just all the chord charts for all the songs, you can find them on there. Anyway, no more will we be, and then no more will we be. A flat, and nothing's gonna change the way we live, 'cause we can always change but never give. And everything's changing for the world, see. Whoa, it's a crazy world we're living in. That's where he's singing it, but it's pretty high for me. I've just accidentally clicked Google Lens. I don't want Google Lens. Bloody MacBook. Okay. Where are we? Nothing's going to change the way we live. We can always change but never give. It's the crazy world we're living in. Okay. Whoa, whoa. This crazy world we're living in. G flat major. I just can't see that half of us immersed in sin is all we have to give these. And then we go to the chorus. Now the chorus is B major 7, future, B flat 7 over D in the bass, made of, it says here G flat in the bass, but you got the E flat minor chord. Virtual insanity, that's A flat minor 11. The 11 is also the 4. You could also play like this. I like that chord, but that's actually A flat minor 9. That's another nice way of playing it. It says to play B flat in the bass, which is interesting. Full of orange juice. Okay. B major 7. Future made of virtual insanity. I'm not sure about the B flat in the bass. Insanity. Insanity. Let's just stick with reposition. Always, no sorry, B major. Always seem to governed by this love we have for useless. B flat over D. Twisting, let's try the different bass notes this time. Of this new technology, and now we have no sound, there is no sound, for we all live underground. Whoa! Go back to the verse. Now we're on verse 2, let's try it again, verse 2. And I'm thinking what a mess we're in. D flat, hard to know where to begin. If I could slip the sickly ties the earthly man has made, and now we're child, that's not nature's way. I don't agree with that one there. Don't agree with that one. That's not nature's way. I think it just stays on E flat. That's what makes it yesterday. Be it D flat, major 9. Sorry, dominant 9. It says on the guitar, ultimate guitar, that it's major 9. It's definitely not. And it says the A flat is sus4, which would be this. I also don't hear that in the song. Maybe it works. I'll listen back to it. But I like this iRealBook Pro much better than the Ultimate Guitar, because as you can see here, there are conflicting chords here between the two versions, and I think this one's correct. Having played along with the song. And so, we carry on. Again, not an easy song, a lot of difficult chords, and it's very hard to sing along to, but making it I'm going to make it a challenge of mine to be able to play this live as a solo act, as a solo artist. So we'll see if I can actually learn to play the song. I'm going to have to know the chords like the back of my hand. I can't be looking at the chords and thinking about lyrics at the same time. You have to just know at least one of those things, because you can only really read one thing at a time, unless you've got it with chords and lyrics written out, which I can do. Anyway, that's a whole nother thing, is me performing the song. We'll see how well I can manage that. Now every mother can choose the colour of her child, that's not nature's way. We go to A flat again, okay. And that's what makes it yesterday. There's nothing left to do but pray. I think it's time we found a new religion. Whoa, whoa, it's a crazy world. It's so insane, sorry. Whoa, it's so insane to synthesize another strain. There's something in these futures that we have to be told. We go straight into the chorus. Have to be told, futures made of futures. Something to remember, this chorus is the same 2 bars repeated. So B, futures made of virtual insanity now always seem to da 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 underground. Oh, maybe that is right. A flat minor 11 over B flat. Sounds a little funky to me, but I kind of like it now. It's growing on me. We go to an interlude now. After we get the whole chorus done there. Futures made of virtual insanity. We have now there is no sound if we all live underground. The chorus goes a 3rd time. And now it's virtual insanity, forget your virtual reality. Oh, there's nothing so bad. Oh, there's nothing so bad. And then we go to the, as I say, the interlude. It's E flat to start with, and then B flat. Sorry, okay, starts with E flat, that's your melody there, and then it goes to B flat, I think it's that, and then, so it's just a melody over the chords. We go to B major, same again, but on B major 7, and then A flat minor, to A flat minor 7 to B flat dominant 7, again, B flat 7, B major 7, A flat minor, B flat dominant, again. The melody note's less important, but I think it's that, and then B major, A flat minor. Great. It moves down a key. It does it 2 or 3 times, and then it goes down to D flat minor 7, and it plays then to A flat dominant, back to A major, and it's E F sharp, G flat minor 7, A flat dominant, Does it twice. A flat 7, A major, G flat minor 7, A flat major 7, G flat minor 7 is actually here. For some reason I played A flat minor. One more time. Then it goes back up. The notes change here, the melody notes. I think it's actually over E flat to B flat, and then B. And once we've done all of that interlude stuff, we move on to another chorus. Futures made of virtual insanity. So let's play that again. Futures made of virtual insanity now. Our ways seem to be governed by this love we have for useless useless B flat twisting. What is the next chord? So many chords to remember. Virtual insanity, governed by slow twisting, this new technology. Oh, and now there is no sound, for we all live underground. Okay, we go straight on to another chorus. We're living in virtual insanity now. We're living in virtual insanity. Living in virtual insanity now, living in. That's not what happens, that's just me doing a little groove there. You gotta groove it out, dude. We do like 4 times on the chorus 5, and then we go to the outro. And the outro is B major 7, E flat major, minor 7, E flat minor 7, then there's that F half diminished. G flat major 7 to B major 7, then C, B, and B flat. For sharp 5 or B flat alts. That's how he ends the song. He goes ba na 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 na. It really slows down. Ritordando, is that the right Latin phrase for a slowdown? I forget. I might have made that up. But it's something like that to end the song. And it's a tough song. As I said at the start of the video, it's a tough song. It requires a deep knowledge of jazz chords, not really harmony, but just knowing those chords, those minor 7s, the dominant 7s, the inversions of all of those, major 7, minor 7, dominant 7, half diminished, as opposed to fully diminished. A half diminished chord is with the flat 7 on top. A fully diminished chord is with a flat 3rd, a flat 5, the same, and then a 6 instead of a flat 7. Just a little bit of knowledge for you. And once you've got, and then also there's that sharp 5, dominant 7, sharp 5, used all the time to end the phrases. And yeah, hopefully this has not been too difficult for you. Even if it has, take it really slow. Learn the intro first, try the verse very slowly, try the chorus very slowly, then start to speed up and try and play along with the song. Once you get the chords, you'll get the song. And whatever you do, don't try and sing along while you play. No, I'm kidding. Of course you should, but it is very difficult to do so, as you can see from this video. As always, thanks for watching Between the Keys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like and subscribe, because it surely helps the channel out, and I'll see you in the next one.